It's the one and only Hibbs Happy Hour. Happy Friday, everybody. Today what we're going to cover is something a little bit special. Today has actually been the funeral of Duke of Edinburgh. A very big loss to country and also a very incredible person who has done a tremendous amount over the years. It's been really nice. Been following the funeral today. There's been some good articles as well. Queen bids farewell, and not just the Queen but also the nation, and lots of things going off over the past week. So what I would actually like to cover today, something to tribute Prince Philip. Going to be a royal toast. Raise a toast to such a good man who's been an absolute rock in the royal family. Royal toast. Boom. So all you need for this, you need a vodka, a extra dry vermouth, always use Noily Pratt, really good, cherry brandy liqueur, a cocktail shaker, and a measure, of course, the crushed ice. So first we're going to do 1.5 shots of vodka, 3/4 of a shot of the cherry brandy liqueur, and then 1 shot of the extra dry vermouth. So to give this a really good shake. The royal family have been quite notorious for liking gin. The Queen's mother actually lived until a ripe age of 101 and was known to drink gin. And actually, a very popular and favourite tipple for the royal family was actually Dubonnet. It'd be great to cover some cocktails with this. So this cocktail was originated since 1937, which was adapted from a UKBG recipe, which was originally in equal parts. So it's just a slight variation, but it's a very traditional cocktail, this, and it actually gives this a 4 out of 5. So as a garnish, I've got these lovely cherries. So here we have it. Really nice, real complexity of the cherries, but the vodka and also the dry vermouth just gives it that nice dryness, almost, very sophisticated. It's absolutely lovely. Tribute Prince Philip. This is a royal toast, and our thoughts go with the royal family and also the nation. He's led a remarkable life. It's been really enjoyable watching The Crown as well. We really hope you enjoyed the show. Please do check out my other playlists for classic cocktails and short cocktails like this. Please do subscribe. A lot of love and passion going into this show. Also turn on your notifications. Bing! Of releases every Friday at 5:30. Royal toast. Cheers.